We're at Good Nature Brewing today, and we're doing this flight of 5 beers right here, and we're going to start with the blonde way over here towards the blonde. So Lori, take it away.
And the blonde is a 4.5%.
Yeah, 4.5.
So here we go. Smells good. Very light. Tastes like a blonde. It's good.
How do you know what a blonde tastes like?
It's a bad joke.
It's light. It's not hoppy.
No.
It's not malty.
And they say easy drinking.
Easy drinking is right. I like it.
And let's see. Hints of bread and crackers. Interesting.
All right, next up is Nonstop Hop Onslaught, which is a...
And this one is actually a 4%.
Yeah, it's a session. So I'm grabbing it first this time.
Okay.
Yeah, it's super light, you can tell. It smells lemony. Is it supposed to smell lemony? It smells lemony.
Just waiting on food over here?
Yeah.
Doing okay?
We're doing great,
Yeah.
thanks.
So that one actually has citrus.
Okay, that explains the lemony. It's lemony. I'm gonna try it. It's very citrusy.
Oh, it does.
See, it's like lemon.
I can smell lemon.
I do the U2 lemon, but I can't hit the falsetto stuff.
Actually, it's like different for an IPA, but it's good because it's got like a really lemony taste.
It's like a non-IPA IPA. There's no hops. It's super light.
But I still like it. It's
If you didn't tell me what it was, I would have guessed it was like a really light Belgian or a Pilsner, but not an IPA.
well, no, but it's a 4, so that's probably why. So our next one is the Blight Buster, and it's a 6.2%.
6.2.
And this is their flagship beer.
Blightbusters are flagship.
Yes. Flagship IPA. Good.
Whatever. Hand it over. Making me wait, making me mad.
I know. It's a gold medal winner.
It's still not very hop forward. It's kind of light.
It says it's this one's more tropical fruit, melon, and passion fruit.
All right. Once again, it is burger time. And today, it's a black and blue burger.
With mac and cheese.
Mine's with mac and cheese. Yours is with a salad. She went with the greenery.
And I have the blue burger with the salad.
Yeah, she went semi-healthy. More roughage.
And it looks delicious.
Delicious. All right, here we go.
I took a sip of beer first and having trouble now.
This is messy but good. I think she'll agree. Yeah,
Delicious.
lots of extra napkins just for that reason. Okay, this is Sean Place's Brewing at My House, and it's an 8% IPA.
And it's
And-
New England.
A New England IPA, but it doesn't really look super crazy hazy. Well, it is hazy. Yeah, I guess it's hazy.
Let's see the info. So you taste any fruit?
I don't know. I think the burger got in the way of it.
Actually, it says gooseberry, but I have to admit, I don't really know what a gooseberry tastes like.
I don't know what gooseberry is.
Tropical and, wait, white wine flavors.
White wine? Maybe? Here, you try it. Maybe. I guess kinda. Like in the finish. I don't know.
It tastes a little fruity, but I'm not sure about gooseberry.
I didn't pick up on any wine.
No, I'm probably not that good though.
I don't know, the burger gets in the way. But the burger
So what is the
and the mac and cheese, really, really good. Really good. Super creamy.
What does the gooseberry taste like?
I don't know what a gooseberry.
Just say somebody out there should tell us later what a gooseberry
Yeah.
tastes like.
Tell us in the comments, what is a gooseberry? Because I can't figure it out, neither can she. So this dark one right here is Bruce One, which is a fermented sour, and it's a 7%er if I'm not mistaken. 7%. Apparently I've been brewing this stuff, I don't know, for almost 3 years.
It's a very dark.
Oh, you can tell. This is gonna have pucker factor right here. Serious pucker factor.
Good pucker or bad pucker? Or just a pucker?
Pucker factor. Or try it. Yeah, pucker factor. On a scale from 1 to 5 on pucker factor, this is a 6.
You're gonna laugh though.
Oh, you like it?
I must be getting more into the sours because actually I can tell it's very tart, but it doesn't bother me as much.
Wow.
It's kind of scary because I think I'm starting to.
It's all yours.
I'm turning the sour corner.
I'm gonna stick to IPAs. You enjoy your sours.
Can I do both? IPAs.
Yeah, there are no rules. No,
actually, I mean,
it's a little bit much for me personally, but it's good for you.
I'm getting used to it though.
Yeah. So here's the Good Nature Brewing. Cheers.
Cheers.
Pretty decent. Oh, this is good. Annie's good.